Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can change the appearance of your Discord application, so like the theme basically. So you'll need Nitro for this. Go to user settings and go to appearance under app settings. You'll have this theme. I'm just going to select preview themes, and you'll have these options you can choose from. You have these light modes and dark modes as well. I'm just going to exit preview, and you can also change the in-app icon. Again, you'll need Discord Nitro for this. So for instance, you want this Q1, I'm just going to select preview app icon. It's going to be up here. They have these, well, this one's the free one. They have this goth, wham, charcoal, ceramic, pastel, art, tactical, sunset, Ave Avenue, galactic chrome, hollow, sakura, sherbert, dreamsicle, gaming, mainframe, prismatic waves, the Uwu one, fuming, and D64. And you can just select whichever one you want, and that's how you can change the appearance of your Discord. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!